Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, now we are here in Lanzarote and yeah, it's time to go and throw a baby. It isn't that bad that it sounds, but yeah. See you by the pool and it's time to throw a baby. See you then. 2, 3. Snyggt Jack! Yeah, and why do I do this? It's a really good exercise. That's actually an exercise that you do in swimming school. It's if you do this controlled and start easy in the beginning and just work your way up. This is basically simulates that you fall in from a dock or anything. It's the same principle as taking a bath in a hole in the ice. If you have done it before, you don't panic when you are doing it for real. So yeah, do it under controlled circumstances, do it often, and if the accident occur, it most likely are getting better than it would have been if you haven't trained on it. So that's why I do it, and many others do it also. So yeah, think about it, and if you want, try it. And yeah, I found out I've actually got my first support. So yeah, if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel. And if you want, there are some sponsor links down below in the description. There is a PayPal, Patreon account, and the one I like the most is the Amazon wishlist. Just click on the link, buy some of the stuff. It will help me a lot and get this project done much faster. So yeah, it's totally voluntarily, of course. You don't need to do it, but I sure would have liked it. So yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.